Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile guys password security setting. And today video I tell you guys how to delete lock screen password, how to remove lock screen password in iqoo mobile one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So how to remove lock screen password in iqoo mobile. Unlock your phone friends. After unlock your phone, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So friends, scroll it and friends open your phone security setting. After on your phone security setting, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. So then how to delete lock screen password in iqoo mobile. Open your phone screen lock setting, enter your lock screen password. After enter password, select your new password type. You want to change password, so you can change password. So when draw pattern, and friends you want to use pin lock password, so enter pin password and you can change your lock screen password. So friends you want to delete, you want to remove lock screen password, so friends select here swipe and none option and remove it. After remove friends, face lock and fingerprint lock will remove also. You want to set again, you will have to set first lock screen password of your screen. Friends you want to unlock your phone, you can unlock your phone without swipe lock also. And friends you want to use iqoo while swipe lock, so friends click here security setting, screen lock, click here swipe and friends come back of your screen. Friends you want to unlock your iqoo while, you cannot unlock your iqoo while swipe here, you can unlock your phone. So like that friends, we can use password security setting, we can delete lock screen password, we can remove lock screen password in iqoo mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching.